Welcome back to our updater channel, introducing the 2025 Mahindra Scorpio N, a new chapter in the legacy of one of India's most iconic SUVs. From its aggressive design to its innovative features, this new version takes things to a whole new level. The front of the Scorpio N is a sight to behold. The bold, muscular grille dominates the view, while the signature LED DRLs give the car a modern yet commanding presence. The redesigned headlights with sleek curves complement the aggressive stance, making sure that this SUV doesn't just blend in, it stands out. Moving to the side, the robust lines and sharp angles define its athletic nature. The wheel arches are well pronounced, housing those 18-inch alloy wheels that add a touch of sophistication. There's no mistaking this as anything but a serious off-roader, but with a modern, urban appeal. At the rear, the new tail lights have been redesigned to be more refined, offering a sleek, yet powerful look. The rear bumper with its solid design further enhances the car's sturdy, rugged appeal, making it clear that the Scorpio N is made to handle anything you throw at it. Step inside, and the 2025 Scorpio N impresses with its plush interiors. Gone are the days of basic functionality. This cabin is designed to offer comfort, style, and sophistication in equal measure. The dashboard is now more modern, with a central 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system that's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible, ensuring you stay connected at all times. The quality of materials used is top-notch, with soft touch plastics and leather upholstery throughout. The seats are generously sized, with ample support for long journeys, and you can opt for premium leather upholstery that feels luxurious. Both the front and rear passengers will appreciate the spacious cabin, with plenty of legroom and headroom even in the third row. Speaking of the third row, Mahindra has gone the extra mile in improving accessibility. The third row now feels more comfortable, with better back support and a design that ensures even taller passengers don't feel cramped. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather, and the ergonomics are spot on. All controls, from the air conditioning to the drive mode selectors, are intuitively placed, making sure that everything is within reach when you need it most. But this isn't just about looks and comfort. Under the hood, the 2025 Scorpio N offers some serious power. The 2.2-liter diesel engine, coupled with the 4x4 drivetrain, ensures that whether you're navigating urban streets or heading off-road, the Scorpio N is ready for anything. With a new and improved suspension system, the ride quality is smoother, even on challenging terrains, making it perfect for those weekend adventures or tackling tough roads. Mahindra hasn't overlooked safety either. The Scorpio N comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of features like multiple airbags, electronic stability control, and advanced driver assistance systems, making it one of the safest SUVs in its class. On the road, the 2025 Scorpio N strikes a perfect balance between rugged off-road capability and everyday driving comfort. Whether you're cruising on highways or maneuvering through tight city streets, this SUV handles it all with ease. Narrator, voiceover, with a bold new design, a refined interior, and the capability to take on any adventure, the 2025 Mahindra Scorpio N is a game changer. It's more than just a car, it's a statement. This is the new Scorpio N. More power, more comfort, and more adventure. Are you ready for the ride?